Mackenzie here from Layton Sports Cards, ripping a personal for Hunter M. We've got a 2021 Leaf Metal Pop Century box. All right, thanks for your order, Hunter. Best of luck. Empty box. Up first, we have pink. Melissa Gilbert. Melissa Gilbert, pink. That is 5 out of 10. Focus camera, there we go. Melissa Gilbert. Up next, we have Keeping It Real Ice of Stacy Keebler. Stacy Keebler. That one is 16 out of 20. Nice. I did a personal flawless the other night, Hobbs. Pulled a 101 Wiseman auto. Patch auto that was encased. It was crazy. And we've got 75 out of 80 superstar swatches. Little Forrest Whitaker. That's a cool one. Forrest Whitaker. But yeah, I heard about that one, Hobbs. Nice Whitaker there. And last but not least here for you, Hunter, we have Stunning Scarlet, sorry, of Kim Basinger. Kim Basinger. Stunning Scarlets. 17 of 33. All right, that'll do it for you, Hunter. Thanks so much for your order. Congrats on the hits, and we'll get these right out to you.